Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get more of the dice rolls in Heartopia. So in order to do that, you can purchase it here using your heart diamonds, or I think there's a package, not like a package, a packet, oh like a pack. Here is where you can buy packs of dice if you'd like to. You can also get it by completing quests. Like here, this is the current quest. You cannot get it from weekly quests. You can only get cookies from that. That's for another video. And you can also get it by completing daily tasks. So one task equals to one of the dice. So that is how you can obtain dice for the Butterbear Island Adventure Event. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.